Alright, just slow up. Making a U-turn for you get around. Then U-turn and come back westbound.
Driving a Hyundai in Ohio is an exciting experience that any teenager would love to have. Some can buy and enjoy it, while others take a faster route, stealing one. In this case, the police knew exactly what needed to be done. On a gloomy afternoon in Columbus, Ohio, two bored teenagers found themselves with nothing to do. Their solution? Steal a neighbor's car and make a quick getaway. At some point, they ditched the first vehicle and took another, a gray Hyundai. Once police received the report, they immediately pursued the stolen vehicle, and the chase quickly escalated into a reckless, high-speed pursuit. Despite 3 intervention attempts, officers couldn't bring the car to a stop. The front of the stolen Hyundai was smashed, but its wheels and engine remained intact, allowing the suspects to keep maneuvering and accelerating. Seeing a construction site ahead, the driver recklessly sped through it, kicking up a cloud of dust to obscure the officer's vision. However, with expert driving skills, the police stayed on their tail.
I can't see, bro.
Six 631, fine and Riverbend.
The stolen vehicle began to shake and show signs of failure. This was the perfect moment to end the chase, and the officers seized it. Both teenagers were quickly taken into custody. They already had criminal records for car theft. Though the pursuit was over, no one walked away happy. 3 patrol cars were damaged, 1 officer suffered minor injuries, and the 2 suspects were left awaiting their day in court.
Go, you're good.
1083 eastbound turn on Carthenia from DeSoto.
Hey, you can damage back to the 6 vehicle, Carthenia, using the storm.
Go, let him go, let time go. Let time go.
1083 request Persian. Any units in the vicinity, 1083 requesting a record unit supervisor, Carthenia, DeSoto.
On November 23, 2024, California patrol officers were in a relentless pursuit of a reckless car thief speeding at unimaginable velocity. The white Mercedes weaved through the crowded streets at an alarming pace, showing no intention of yielding to anyone. The driver, 42-year-old Kevin Larea, was identified as the man behind the wheel of the stolen vehicle. Public safety no longer seemed to matter to him.
Air 10, your ETA.
Hey, if you want to hear DC, South Dakota, Mason, I'm getting already rolling.
Away from Mason.
It's Sherman Way.
Get there, get there. Go through.
1083 right now, alright.
Hey, he's gonna run.
Don't move. Let me see your hands right now. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
After crashing the stolen Mercedes, officers pulled Larea from the overturned vehicle and took him into custody without further resistance. A search revealed he was in possession of crystal methamphetamine and marijuana. The drivers of the Toyota Corolla and Jaguar XE were transported to local hospitals for treatment, along with Larea, who sustained injuries in the crash. Once medically cleared, Larea was booked and charged with felony evading causing death. On November 26, 2024, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office formally charged Larea with 1 count of murder, 1 count of felony evading causing death, 1 count of driving or taking a vehicle without the owner's consent, 1 count of felony evading by driving against traffic. If anyone thinks police chases are just a game for male officers, this video will prove them wrong. Trooper A. Cass, an elite officer in Little Rock, made it clear to the suspect in this case: never underestimate an Arkansas state trooper, especially a female one. It all started on a sunny afternoon in Arkansas. Trooper Cass was enjoying the fresh air when a speeding black vehicle caught her attention. Her instincts kicked in. The car had illegally tinted windows and was moving well over the speed limit. That was reason enough for a traffic stop. The driver initially pulled over, but something felt off. She claimed she was rushing her child to the hospital and had forgotten her vehicle registration. However, there was no child in the car. When Trooper Cass asked for her name, the driver identified herself as Becca Smith. Suspecting a fake identity, the trooper returned to her vehicle to verify the information. That was the moment the suspect made her move. Underestimating the female trooper, she suddenly hit the gas and took off. Whether the car was stolen or carrying illegal contraband, one thing was clear: she was desperate to escape. What followed was a high-speed pursuit you wouldn't believe was led by a female officer.
Right. If you were the caller. Không contact luôn. Okay, bro. If I contact you, where contact you?
The suspect raced onto Breckenridge Road, reaching speeds of 80 to 90 miles per hour. This was no longer a routine stop. It had turned into a reckless and dangerous chase, with the suspect endangering everyone on the road just to get away. In situations like this, the best option is to end the pursuit quickly before innocent lives are put at risk. And that's exactly what Trooper Cass did. The suspect was ejected from the vehicle, but sustained only minor injuries. Paramedics arrived on the scene shortly after. An investigation later identified her as Diviana Bullock, who was arrested on multiple charges, including reckless driving and driving with a suspended license.
71 to 40, I'm waiting for you today. Just keep me updated. I'm ready to roll.
Another beautiful sunny day, this time in North Little Rock. If only everything could stay peaceful. But hidden within that calm was an extremely dangerous fugitive on the run in a pickup truck. The suspect was reported to be armed with both firearms and grenades, having made direct threats against law enforcement, the governor, and others, posing a serious security risk to the area.
Coming up for roll interchange. We're going to be staying northeastbound.
Northeastbound, 398.
The police had one job: get this madman off the road. If they could end the chase without injuries, they would be lucky. Unfortunately, luck was not on their side this time.
Just drive 40. Can you get a chance to get back to traffic? Hit it. We're out at 156, 107.
That's 156, 107. Copy, kid.
71 secondary, I got the radio. Just drive 40. When you get a chance, we get past this traffic. Hit him.
Very copy.
71 Little Rock, passing the 156, 107.
That's 156, 107.
Pit, pit, pit. Do not rush that car. Do not rush that car. 40, get out of your car.
With expert precision, officers executed a single intervention that sent the suspect's vehicle spiraling into a roadside barrier. Realizing escape was no longer an option, the suspect quickly surrendered.
Probably better to come from 440, Sarge. Unresponsive, not responding to any kind of commands right now. Let's see your hands! Hey.
Okay, just for clarification, he's not responsive like he's potentially unconscious due to the fit, or he's non-compliant.
From the pit, it appears, Sarge. He appears to be unconscious. Hey, y'all watch the crossfire. We're going to approach, okay?
I've got plates on. I've got level 3 plates. He's supposed to have her right.
You get up front then, Alex. I'm on you. You ready? Let's move.
This 10-4.
I think we're going to be between 67 and Proto.
Let's see your hands! Hands! No movement. I see one person only, Alex.
10-4.
Okay. When we get up here, Alex and I will own him. You guys check the back seat. Roger?
10-4.
All right. Alex, I'm going to get the door. You're on him. Copy? Anything in the back, guys?
Back's clear.
Okay. Here we go.
See his right hand.
I can't either. I'm going to get the window.
You want me to bust it? I can bust it.
You got to bust with your rifle? Hands, motherfucker! Hands! 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 Seatbelt. Somebody cut the seatbelt. We got him, Caden. All right. Alex is back up. Cade, y'all go hands on. Get him out of the car. Get him out. Get him clear. Get him clear. I see a knife in the right front pocket. Grab it. Check for weapons.
His identity and motives remain unknown, but one thing is certain: he won't be walking free anytime soon. At the very least, public safety has been restored. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of our channel family. Have a great day and see you later.